Listen up, high flyers. You want to be unstoppable? Step into the grit furnace. That's right, the place where the heat is so intense it could melt your doubts into puddles. Most people run from that fire. You wade in grinning, ready to be forged into something stronger. Pressure doesn't break you. It cooks off your weaknesses. You're not here to be lukewarm. You're here to be the mental steel that smashes through obstacles. So crank up the heat, embrace the burn, and show the world you're not just built different, you're built indestructible.